Okay, so we're gonna dive right into this. I've already gone ahead and removed the steering wheel just because that part of the process is sometimes a little bit of a pain. It could get stuck. You're gonna need hammers, you're gonna need a steering wheel puller and whatnot, but we've gone ahead and removed it to make this video short. When you do remove it, this is what you'll see. You'll see the Seastar Helm with 3 screws. Just take those 3 screws out, and then we take a small little pick like this, just so we can remove this small plastic piece. And once we remove that, we're gonna have direct access to the seal. Now we're gonna wanna clean this area, make sure that there's no dirt, grime, whatnot, because once we remove the seal, we don't wanna contaminate the area, especially since we're gonna go ahead and slide in the new seal. So just go ahead, remove, clean it all up, remove any of the oil or whatnot that's in the area, and then with the same pick, we're gonna go ahead and gently just try to lift it out of its little seat area. Once it pops right out, just like that, we're ready to put in the new one. Hey guys, so we've gone ahead and removed it as I showed you on the video. We're gonna replace it with a new seal. This is an original from Seastar. We didn't get the kit, we just bought the seal because that's all we need. Everything else is in good working order. Make sure you buy the original seal from Seastar when you go to do this. Pretty straightforward. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this in, show you a little trick on how to get this to go in nice and easily without damaging the seal. Same thing if you have a pick, use the back side of the pick. Alright guys, so that is it. That is all it takes to replace the seal on your steering helm if you see a little leak coming out the front of it. Pretty simple, straightforward. We like to make the videos nice and short, straight to the point, cut out all the talking and whatnot so you don't have to skip forward too much. If you like the video, please like, please subscribe, that helps me out. And all that's left to do is put the helm back on, top it off with some steering fluid, and off we go. Thank you.